It all started with a question. One simple message. Hey, can you teach me how to edit? It wasn't anything out of the ordinary, but something about this one felt different. So I said, let's do it. It's exciting when someone reaches out to learn, but when they're genuinely eager, it's something special. I wasn't going to leave him hanging. I was ready to teach. So we started with the basics: cutting, trimming, transitions, and soon enough, I could see he was picking things up quickly. We dove into editing techniques, timing cuts, telling a story with visuals, using motion graphics to bring it all to life. But it wasn't just about learning the tools, it was about developing a vision. And he picked it up fast. His editing was getting smoother, cleaner. He was creating, not just following instructions. Every time we got off a call, I'd get a message like, look at what I just did. And every time it was better and better. His cuts, his pacing, his style, it was all improving. But I didn't stop there. After seeing how fast he learned, I gave him a challenge. I said, you're going to edit a full YouTube video. This one, the one you're watching right now. No templates, no step-by-step instructions, just a voiceover and a deadline. I handed him the reins. He had to take my voiceover and turn it into something dynamic. A story, visuals, motion design, his own style. No guidelines, just him and the clock ticking. This wasn't just about cutting clips. It was about taking ownership. Would he be able to take everything I taught him and make this video his own? This was his moment. Could he turn the lessons into something creative? Something worthy of sharing with the world? Could he make it his own? And here it is, the final product, his creation. He took everything I taught him, applied his skills, and brought this very video to life. I'm proud of what he's done here. He proved that he could create, not just follow instructions. This is why I do what I do. To help others learn, grow, and discover their creative voice. And you, yes, you, if you're watching this, I hope you feel inspired to take your own editing journey to the next level. If you want to see more challenges like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Maybe next time you will be the one I challenge to edit a video. Let's keep creating.